Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Sarthak, are you able to hear me? Sarthak, are you able to hear me, Sarthak?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Why people are so late today? Huh?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. बेटा व्हाट्सएप पे नहीं दिया करो अटेंडेंस.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. बेटा don't waste time in giving
Morning,
attendance
ma'am.
on WhatsApp. Okay? Aradhya, change your name. Ayush is here. Mitansh is here. Kalpit is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Shardul is here. Sarthak Gangwar, Dakshita is here. Okay. Today there are very less number of students. Open your cameras. Sarthak, Samarth, Saransh, Chandani. Open your cameras quickly. Open your cameras. Why do people are so
Ma'am,
sleepy today?
I'm in WhatsApp.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning,
Quickly.
ma'am.
Good morning. Samarth, beta, switch off your mic. Samarth, switch off your mic. Why people are so late? Very less number of students today. Are all of them sleeping? Huh? Are all of them sleeping? Chalo, let us start what we have done yesterday. We continue with that. Acha beta, I told you that we will do reasoning today, right? Okay? We will do reasoning in this period. Why? Acha, today you have reasoning period also. See beta, today you have reasoning period also and we will do reasoning only in this period. Okay? Because some chapters are left in reasoning, so we will start with the
Good
reasoning.
morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. So let me check where we have done in reasoning A D group. Yesterday we have done square, number, plane. Okay. Now we are going to start the reasoning. Take out reasoning again. Yesterday we have done reasoning. See now they are entering. So late.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Why you are so late? Excuse me. Why you are so late?
Ma'am, I
Huh?
morning.
Excuse me. Okay. Let us start. There you go. Alphabet test. I'm going to teach you
Can you
another
please
type of
wait?
alphabet test. Okay? Huh?
And is it on taking?
Sorry, Saransh, speak again. Wait a minute.
I'm going to taking my
Okay,
good
beta.
morning.
Good morning and don't be late from tomorrow onward. So many people are coming late today. I don't know why. Aditya, open your camera. Vikalp, switch off your mic. Always your mic is on. Okay, now see here. Now I'm going to teach you about alphabet test. Alphabet test कैसे करते हैं? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Yes, now look here. Mera Parveen typing the attendance in the late. There are so many students those who came late today, and still there are many. Tomorrow, अभी मैं enable waiting room ही करती हूँ. I will see who those who are coming late. Now see everyone in reasoning. Look here on my board. Look here on my board. Suppose if I given you one word reasoning, I have given you one word is that is reasoning, and now you have to tell me. I will make one word. Yesterday I told you about this. Yes or no? You have to see which word cannot be made using the letters of these numbers. Now देखो क्या हो रहा है. I'm explaining in Hindi. Just wait, give me a minute. देखो बेटा, ये रीजनिंग लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है. इसके आपको वर्ड्स लेने हैं. वर्ड्स से नए वर्ड्स बनाते हैं. इसके लेटर्स जो है ए बी ए आर ई ए एस उससे एक लेटर बनाते हैं, उससे एक वर्ड बनाते हैं, उसके लेटर्स यूज करके एक वर्ड बनाते हैं. ठीक है, लेट्स सी. एस यू एन क्या उसके लेटर्स बनकर, सॉरी, अब मैंने एक वर्ड बनाया है सन. क्या सन बन पाएगा रीजनिंग से? टेल मी. हार्दिक, आदित्य एंड सारा
No,
चंदानी,
ma'am.
ओपन योर कैमरास. क्या सन बन पाएगा रीजनिंग वर्ड से?
No, ma'am.
अगर मैं
No,
सी
ma'am.
यूज, क्यों? वाई? वाई?
Ma'am, because in the reasoning, because it did not have you.
ठीक है, रीजनिंग में यू नहीं होता है. रीजनिंग में यू नहीं होता है. वेरी गुड. ओके.
Yeah, I can tell answer.
एस ओ एन सन. If I make this word, are we able to make this word sun?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, we can.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, अगर sun भी नहीं है, I am giving you one more. S U N G sung. Are we able to make this word sung?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, you is not in the reasoning
You
spelling.
is not in the
Yes,
reasoning
open.
spelling. Okay, I am going to write bring. If bring comes in the
No,
reasoning,
ma'am.
why not?
No, ma'am, because it has not be.
It does not have B. It does not have B in the word. ठीक है? Okay, can be made. Bring हो गया. और cannot be made का here it will be. We will see. Cannot be made. तो इसमें अगर मैं इसमें लिख दूंगी song. अच्छा, song का बताओ. SONG song.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So I have written here sing. Sing. वे sing बन सकता है या नहीं?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sing बन
Yes,
सकता है ना?
yes.
Okay. Noise. Noise. नॉइज बन सकता है?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
क्यों नो मैम? वाई नो
Yes,
मैम?
ma'am.
Because there is
Son?
not
Yes, Saransh, what you are saying? Let Saransh speak. Saransh, what you are saying, beta? Because tell me. बेटा नॉइज भी बन सकता है, NOISE सारे लेटर्स है इसमें, नॉइज भी बन सकता है, ठीक है। इफ आई से ब्रिंग
No, ma'am.
ब्रिंग
No,
नहीं
ma'am.
है, तो इसका करेक्ट
No,
ऑप्शन
ma'am.
Ma'am, we can make this one. Ma'am, we can make ring.
बेटा नहीं, अभी ऑप्शन में थोड़ी ना दिया है, ऑप्शन में जो दिया होगा उसी में से चूज करना होता है, ठीक है, अपने आप से नहीं डिसाइड कर सकते। चलो नाउ ओपन योर बुक्स दिस वन कारपेंटर वाला, यू जस्ट ओपन इट, वेट अ सेकंड। Okay, what words cannot be formed by using the letter carpenter? Just give me a minute, beta.
Ma'am, which page number? उधर है उरे
अरे
है उरे लगेगा हाँ
Karanveer, you know whatever you are talking, we are getting your voice because your camera is off and your voice is mic is on. Huh? You know that, Karanveer?
अरे मिल गया
Okay, now let's see. Carpenter. The word is here is carpenter. Okay, so nectar बताओ, देखो बन सकता है nectar word, बन सकता है carpenter से, चेक करो एक एक
नो
करके।
मैम
हाँ, क्यों नहीं बन सकता? अच्छा, रीड द क्वेश्चन, वेट अ मिनट। समर्थ कुमार बेटा, रीड द क्वेश्चन, समर्थ कुमार रीड द क्वेश्चन।
Which page number? Ma'am, please, which page number?
अब याद आ रहा है पेज नंबर इतनी देर बाद? हाँ, टेक आउट अल्फाबेट टेस्ट बेटा, देयर इज पेज नंबर डिफरेंट इन डिफरेंट बुक्स, सो टेक आउट योर रीजनिंग बुक एंड ओपन द अल्फाबेट टेस्ट। See this one, direction 8 to 11, this one, this question, अल्फाबेट टेस्ट वाला जो पेज है, ये वाला जो पेज है, ये वाला निकालना है। वेट अ सेकंड, दिस वन, ये वाला जो पेज है, ये वाला निकालना है जिसमें ये एक्सरसाइज लिखी है अल्फाबेट टेस्ट की। टेक इट आउट। The page numbers beta I'm not telling because it is different in different books. Page number is different in different books, so I'm not telling you the page number. Samarth Kumar मिल गया?
यस मैम
Now read the question 8 to 11.
in each of the following answer find the word that cannot be made from the
Letters
letters or even words.
Okay, good. Carpenter. The word is here carpenter. You have to in each of the following find the word that cannot be made. अभी मैंने can वाला और cannot वाला बताया था, इसमें से आपको ढूंढना है कि इनमें से कौन सा नहीं बन सकता कारपेंटर वर्ड से। सो इफ यू सी नेक्टर बन सकता है। अंश, टेल मी, कैन यू फॉर्म द वर्ड नेक्टर फ्रॉम द वर्ड कारपेंटर? चेक करो, यस और नो?
No.
व्हाई नो? अगर यस तो ठीक है, नो तो कौन सा वर्ड ऐसा है जो नहीं है इसमें?
Painter.
अरे आई एम आराध्या, डोंट स्पीक लाइक दैट इन बिटवीन, आई एम टेलिंग यू, रिमूव कर दूंगी मैं तुम्हें। इफ आई एम आस्किंग अंश, लेट मी आस्क अंश फर्स्ट। हाँ अंश, यू स्पीक बेटा।
मैम इसमें तो
सब कुछ है ना?
यस मैम ये
तो
सही है।
बस ये बन सकता है, सिंपल, ये बन सकता है। चलो गुड। कारपेट, अंश कारपेट बन सकता है बेटा, चेक करो।
Carpet. Hmm.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
वाशु यू आर लेट एंड मुझे तुम्हें एंट्री नहीं देनी चाहिए थी बेटा, तुम्हें रिमूव कर देना चाहिए था। गुड मॉर्निंग बीच में बोल रहे हो। यू नो दैट यू आर लेट, 15 मिनट्स लेट।
सकता है
हाँ
मैम बन सकता है।
क्या? नेक्ट कारपेट बन सकता है? ओके ठीक है, करेक्ट।
Yes.
ओके, चारान चंदानी बेटा, टेल मी, कैन यू फॉर्म द वर्ड कारपेट? पेंटर, पेंटर बना सकते हो?
Yes, that is wrong one.
पेंटर इज द रॉन्ग वर्ड, व्हाई बेटा? विच लेटर इज एक्स्ट्रा?
Because in carpet, there is not have I, and in painter there is has I.
Very good Saran Chandani. So C answer is the correct option. Okay, now reasonable. Reasonable. I will ask myself. So please don't speak in between. Okay, विकल्प, विकल्प
Yes
एक
मैम।
वर्ड फॉर्म हो सकता है reasonable से? Can you form the word brain from the reasonable?
ओके मैम।
Okay ma'am नहीं, yes or no? Okay ma'am. Are you listening to me विकल्प, or are you doing your work? ये जितने भी लेट कमर्स आए ना आज, आई विल नॉट लेट यू इन फ्रॉम टुमारो
नो
ऑनवर्ड्स। हाँ विकल्प,
नो मैम।
ब्रेन बन सकता है रीजनेबल से, व्हाई नो?
नो मैम।
व्हाई नो?
बिकॉज मैम is not joining. So I
हाँ, आई इज नॉट देयर, वेरी गुड विकल्प, वेरी गुड। बिकॉज आई इज नॉट देयर इन बिटवीन, आई वर्ड कैन नॉट बी देयर। और इधर भी क्या नहीं था? आई नहीं था। ओके, अनकॉन्शियस, दिस वर्ड इज नोन एज अनकॉन्शियस। ओके, नाउ सारांश सिंह विल टेल मी विच वर्ड कैन नॉट। सन बन सकता है सारांश? हाँ सारांश, आर यू एबल टू हियर मी बेटा?
Yes,
कैन यू फॉर्म द
yes,
वर्ड
ma'am.
सन? ओके, कॉइन,
Yes, ma'am.
कॉइन, yes or no? Can you form the word coin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. Then
Yes,
sun,
ma'am.
sun, sun.
Yes, ma'am.
Nose, nose.
No, ma'am. He
No.
is not there.
Very good, Saransh. Because E is not there.
Thank you.
Very good. Wait a minute, beta. Let me share the answers. In the D group. Let me share the answers in the D group. Okay. Let us start the next question now. Wait a minute. Let me take this PDF. Next page photo. Wait a minute, beta. Just let me click the next page photo. Then I will start. And yes, on Monday you are having your maths test of chapter 1. Okay? I will make you give you the notice also. Tomorrow you will have maths test. Tomorrow, no, sorry, on Monday you are having your maths test of chapter 1. Note it down by the time I am going to give you the notice. Everyone, do you have your class school diary? Do you have your school diary? Just write it
yes
there.
ma'am I have.
Yes, ma'am.
Monday, right? Monday, 26, 27, 28.
Ma'am, I have not a diary, so can I write in my notebook?
Notebook, but don't forget it. Monday, 20th, you have your maths test. Maths class test of chapter 1. Number and numeration. And it will be oral also and written also, both. The test will be oral also and written also. The test will be oral as well as written both. While you will do the questions, I will ask you some of the questions also. Oral and written both. Write it down quickly. Prepare it well. Prepare it well. बहुत अच्छे से prepare करना है. समझ गए? बहुत difficult test दूंगी मैं. And nobody will cheat. I will ensure this also. Beta, what's going on?
My diary is lost.
Sorry, I'm not able to hear you, beta.
Ma'am, I am saying, ma'am, my diary is lost.
Your diary is?
Ma'am, in my lost in my fridge.
Please switch off your, everyone else switch off your mic. If your diary is not there, you can do it somewhere else. कनन भी तुम्हारी बातें सब सुनते रहते हैं, बात तुम्हारे घर में जो भी हो रहा है ना?
Ma'am, I am speaking on WhatsApp.
Okay, and share it on the group also that you will have oral as well as written test of chapter 1, numbers and numeration on Monday. And what I know, yes, this is page 18. Aman, why are you late? Aman, you know the period is going to be over and you are coming now. Huh, Aman, why are you late? Why are you late, Aman? Okay, Arjun, write it somewhere else. Okay, Arjun, you can write it somewhere else if it is lost.
Ma'am, I speak in WhatsApp. Ma'am, please see.
I have heard it, beta, it is okay. I know, then you can write it somewhere else. But भूलना नहीं है ये. Nobody will forget it. Okay, now let us start. Stop. Everyone has written? Chalo, let me stop sharing this one. Now we are going to start the next question. Wait a minute. This is page 15. Okay. These are the next question. Recreation. The word is next. Yes. What is it? Speak after me. Recreation. What is it?
Creation.
Recreation. Okay. Now wait a minute. Wait. Okay. The word is recreation. Can you make ration out of it? R-A-T-I-O-N. Can you make R-A-T-I-O-N here? Can you make the word ration? Okay. Let me ask one by one. Dakshata, tell me. Can you make the word ration from the word recreation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then action. Can you make the word action from the recreation?
Yes, ma'am.
Torn, Torn. Dakshita, tell beta. Can you make the word torn?
Yes, ma'am.
Refer, Refer.
Yes. No,
Refer.
ma'am. Ma'am,
Why?
there is not a,
Why no?
ma'am, because there is not S.
Because F is not there. Recreation में कौन सा word नहीं है? F word नहीं है. F letter नहीं है. Okay. Now see, from the word given the letters, find the category in which they belong. अब देखो हम ये क्या है? ये jumble of word दिया है. Listen to me carefully. ये क्या दिया है? ये हमें jumble of word दिया है. इसको हमें एक वर्ड बनाना है. इन सारे वर्ड से मिलाकर एक वर्ड बनाना है. और उस वर्ड का मीनिंग हमें ये दे रखा है. इनमें से कोई एक मीनिंग है. इनमें से कोई एक मीनिंग है जो भी वर्ड बनकर आएगा. ओके, लेट मी आस्क समबडी एल्स. आई कैन पिक अप एनी वन ऑफ यू. ओके, सो बी वेरी केयरफुल. Humera, tell me what word will you make from this? Humera, what word will you make from this HINGT? David, what way you are sitting? My God, David, the way you sit. How do you sit with David? How do you sit in class? Is this the way to sit? Open your camera first of all, or else I'm going to remove you. Camera open करो David. ये remove कर दोगी अभी के अभी. The way you sit in, everyone is watching you. You know that. You're lying down. You're sleeping. What you are doing? हुमेरा बताओ HINGT से कौन सा वर्ड बन सकता है बेटा? Divit, open this camera. Leave that. स्मार्ट बनने की जरूरत नहीं है दिवित, बिल्कुल. ऋत्विक, ऋत्विक बेटा, you tell me what word will you make from the word this? हाँ ऋत्विक, ऋत्विक. अच्छा, how many of you know which word will be made from this HINGT? THINIGT. It can be a body part. It can be a sequence of a day. Sequence of a day means
Ma'am,
Monday,
night.
Tuesday.
Ma'am, I know.
नहीं
Ma'am,
नहीं, sequence
night.
of sorry, day, night, like this. Beta, wait a
Ma'am,
minute.
I know.
Okay, very
Now.
good, beta. But just let me take your attendance for a minute. Let me take your attendance. Okay? मैं आपकी attendance ले लेती हूँ. I have not taken your attendance today. अरे बेटा, ये lower your hands, please. Wait a minute. Let me take the attendance. Then I'll ask you. Karanveer, that it is done. मेरा Karanveer, हमारा Mitash. Vashu, Vikalpa Rudrash is also there. Beta, today I saw so many of you were late. Okay, I was waiting since a long time. So एक चीज याद रखना, कल से at 7:35 I will lock the meeting. I will lock the meeting. I will not let you in. You will be marked late. Late mark होगा and your name will go to principal sir. ठीक है, 5 minutes के बाद आते हो तो. Okay.
मैम कल संडे है.
अरे मंडे को आओगे अर्जुन? हाँ, क्यों? मंडे को तो आओगे.
हम लेकिन
अरे
हम
क्या नाम है? आदिति, आदिति, बेटा, tell me what will be this word?
little
Aditi, is your name
sequence
Aditi?
of the day.
Is your name Aditi? हाँ Aditi, tell me the word बेटा. क्या हो सकता है ये
Ma'am,
word?
sequence of the day.
I am not asking. I am asking which word is it? क्या word बन रहा है वो? ये
Night.
night. Okay, very good Aditi. It is forming night. Can you tell me the spelling of night, Aditi? Can you tell me the spelling of night?
NIGHT.
Very good.
Ma'am,
NIGHT. Very good. N-I-G-H-T. Wait a minute. 8, 10. N, as said by Aditi, N-I-G-H-T. It is N-I-G-H-T. Night. And night is what? Night is a flower? Night is a flower? हाँ मान्या, नाइट इज अ फ्लावर. नाइट फ्लावर होता है?
No, ma'am.
क्या होता है फिर नाइट? टेल मी. आप इसके आगे वर्ड लिख लो बेटा. हाँ, स्पीक स्पीक.
Sentence is day.
नाइट इज नॉट अ फ्लावर. ओके. नाइट इज अ फ्रूट. क्या
No,
नाइट
ma'am.
फ्रूट है? नहीं. नाइट सीक्वेंस ऑफ
Ma'am.
अ डे. सीक्वेंस ऑफ अ डे
Yes,
मीन्स
ma'am.
लाइक मंडे इवनिंग, मॉर्निंग, नाइट, लाइक दिस. Yes, so it is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
sequence of a day. Very good, Vanya. Mitansh, can you tell me this word? What word is this? N-O-D-M-Y-A.
Ma'am, which word am I doing?
Huh?
Ma'am,
It can be the name of month, it can be the name of day, it can be a measuring unit, it can be the name of a flower. So think about it, what can it be possible? हाँ मितांश सोचो बेटा.
yes, ma'am.
सोचो सोचो सोचो, what is it? Okay, कल्पित. मितांश आप ट्राई करो, मितांश आप ट्राई करो. नेक्स्ट वाला ट्राई करो मितांश. You try the next
Okay,
one.
ma'am.
You try the next one. हाँ.
Okay, ma'am. Monday.
Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. See, all the letters are present here. So which is the correct option, beta? It is the name of a month, it is the name of a day, it is a measuring unit, or it is the name of a flower? हाँ Kalpit?
Name.
Ma'am, it is name of a day.
Beta, I'm asking from Kalpit only. Only Kalpit will answer. It is a name of a day. Very good. बेटा जिससे पूछूंगी सिर्फ वही आंसर करेगा. समित कुमार, स्विच ऑफ योर माइक. Okay. Okay, the next one will be Ansh. I already asked you. So leave it, Ansh. Sarthak Gangwar, beta. Sarthak Gangwar.
Yes, ma'am.
See what word can be formed from the word letter E-R-O-S. Which letter can be formed? Which word can be formed from the word E-R-O-S? क्या word बन सकता है? It can be a fruit, it can be a flower, it can be an animal. Think about it. Tell me quickly. Ayush will tell me. Ayush, what word can be formed from the word
Ma'am,
EROS? Nobody will
Ma'am.
speak in between. Can I tell? If you will speak like can I tell, I will remove them first of all. Mitansh, are you saying can I tell?
yes, ma'am.
हाँ मितांश, आपसे मैंने पूछा था. वेट अ मिनट, अभी पूछती हूँ बेटा आपसे मैं. हाँ बताओ मितांश, व्हाट इज द आंसर?
Ma'am, Rose.
स्पेलिंग बताओ मुझे रोज की.
R-O-S-E.
R-O-S-E. Very good, Mitansh. Very good. Is it a fruit? Is it a flower? What is it?
Ma'am, flower.
It is a flower. Very good. Okay. I asked whom. अभी मैंने किससे पूछा था? किससे पूछा था? ऋत्विक आपसे पूछा था या सार्थक? सार्थक से पूछा था. I am not able to remember. चलो आराध्य. आराध्य. Tell me
Yes,
what will
ma'am.
be the 15th one? 15th name. 15th one.
R L
What is the 15? R-L-E-U-R. What were you doing? What were you doing? You were talking? Not paying attention in class? Tell me quickly. Chalo, think about it. Okay, Ritvik, can you tell me what is the word here? R-E-L-R-L-E-U-R. What is the word you can form from these letters? Huh, Ritvik? Vashu, can you tell me the word? Vashu, can you tell me the word? What is the word formed here? Don't know.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
I know the word of
Beta, there are
15.
so many who knows the word. Please switch off your mic, otherwise I will throw you out. Let me ask some of the student. Aditya, let me ask those who never speak in class. हाँ आदित्य. आर्यन गंगवार, get up. Don't sleep. तभी कैमरा ऑन नहीं होता ना आर्यन गंगवार, because you sleep in class. Aditya, better tell me which word is being formed here. Aditya, where are you? Where has he gone? हाँ आदित्य. RLUER. अच्छा देखो, यू दिस इज यूज फॉर मेजरिंग लेंथ. ऐसा कुछ सोचो जो मेजरिंग लेंथ के काम में आता हो. ऐसे वर्ड्स,
मैम
ऐसी चीजें सोचो. थिंक
मैम
अबाउट थिंग्स.
रूलर मैम रूलर
बेटा मैंने मना किया है ना, ये बीच में आंसर नहीं करोगे. किसने किया आंसर ये? Who answered it? Vashu, you answered. हाँ Vashu, have you answered this one? Okay, let me ask somebody else. Okay, Aradhya, you tell me. Aradhya. Ansh, get up. Don't sleep, Ansh. Get up, Ansh, and open your camera. Sit straight, Ansh. Sit straight. हाँ बेटा बताओ, जल्दी बताओ कौन है.
रूलर
हाँ.
मैम रूलर
Okay, can you tell me the spelling ruler of Aradhya?
यस मैम RULER
RULER. And ruler is used for what?
used of measurement length
Measuring length. Length measure करते हैं 1 centimeter line, 2 centimeter line, 3 centimeter line, like this. Okay, so this is ruler. Just give me a minute beta. Let me share this answer on WhatsApp D group. So this period is going to be over soon, so we will complete 2 more questions now. Okay, chalo, let us do the next question. Okay, in which of the following the number skipped between adjacent letter is same? C. Just this is a question of patterns actually beta. This is a question of patterns. Patterns का question है ये. A के बाद B छोड़ते हैं तो C आ जाता है, C के बाद D आ रहा है, D के बाद E छोड़ रहे हैं तो F आ रहा है. यहाँ पर हमने E छोड़ा है और यहाँ पर B छोड़ा है, यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं छोड़ा है. ठीक है. ऐसे G के बाद देखो H छोड़ा है, I के बाद J छोड़ा है हमने बीच में, J के बाद K के बाद L M, L छोड़ा है, then it is M. ये वाला is the correct option B. ओके. एस के बाद टी छोड़ा, वी लेफ्ट टी इन बिटवीन. यू आ गया, यू के बाद वी छोड़ा है, आ जाएगा. डब्ल्यू के बाद एक्स एंड वाई विच बिटवीन एडजेसेंट इज सेम. वेट अ मिनट. एस टी यू वी डब्ल्यू एक्स वाई, ये भी ठीक है. जी एच आई जे के एल एम, एल एंड एम यू आर लिविंग. बेटा बी ऑप्शन नहीं है. वाई? बिकॉज इट इज नॉट एल एम छोड़ रहे बीच में. We are leaving 2 letters in between. So C option is the correct one. ओके. बी के बाद सी डी ई, बी के बाद क्या आता है? सी डी आता है, फिर ई आता है. ई के बाद एफ आएगा, एफ छोड़ रहे हैं. जी के बाद एच छोड़ रहे हो तो इधर भी 2 लेटर्स छोड़ रहे हो तो ये वाला नहीं आएगा. सो विच इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन? सी, क्योंकि बीच में हम एक लेटर छोड़ रहे हैं इसलिए. आर एस टी यू, यू वी डब्ल्यू एक्स, यू वी डब्ल्यू एक्स वाई, एन पी क्यू एस, डब्ल्यू एक्स वाई जेड, Z should be there. R S T U, ये एक बार लाइन से हो गया. U के बाद आपने क्या छोड़ा? V. W के बाद X है डायरेक्टली, ये वाला भी नहीं हो सकता. N के बाद O छोड़ा, P के बाद डायरेक्टली Q है, फिर ऐसे. तो R S T U is the correct option. Okay, because it is coming in series. This is coming in series. Okay, now let's come back to this next type of question. वाशु जल्दी से क्वेश्चन पढ़ो जरा, क्वेश्चन 18 से 19 वाला जो क्वेश्चन है, रीड इट, जल्दी से पढ़ो.
In each of the following questions, choose one word which can be formed from the letter of the given word.
हाँ ठीक है, इसमें से कौन सा लेटर कैन बी फॉर्म्ड, कैन बी फॉर्म्ड अभी हमने कैन नॉट बी फॉर्म्ड करा था, अब हो गया है कैन नॉट, कैन बी फॉर्म्ड. सो वी विल डू टुमारो, द पीरियड इज गोइंग टू बी ओवर. ओके, सो वी विल डू दिस बेटा, लेकिन अभी लास्ट पीरियड आई एम हैविंग ऑन मंडे. इफ यू विल नॉट बी ऑन टाइम आई विल नॉट लेट यू इन. आज बहुत सारे लेट आए हो. ओके, चलो, गुड बाय एवरीवन, सी यू इन द, टुडे वी हैव लास्ट पीरियड आल्सो, राइट?